Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if your Samsung phone have Dolby Atmos. If you're using any Samsung phone and if you want to check for Dolby Atmos in your phone, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings and settings, just scroll down, go to sound and vibration, click on it, and here further scroll down you might see a sound quality and effects option here. Click on it, and here if you have a Dolby Atmos, so you can get that here. So here you can see I have Dolby Atmos, but you can only use this with your headphones and your Bluetooth devices like your earbuds or your headphones here. So in this way you can easily check if your phone have Dolby Atmos. So if you find it, so you can easily connect your phone with a Bluetooth device like your earbuds or your headphones, and then you can easily enable this from here. So in this way you can easily check your phones for Dolby Atmos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.